Aubrey does not like to have a blanket on. Let's watch what she does. Ready? Okay. Go for it. Oh, kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. Kick, kick, kick. That's right. Ready? Want to do it again? Oh, kick, 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 kick. Kick, 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 kick. Oh, and the hiccups. Did you get it all off? Oh, there, one more time. Yep. You're free. Oh, you want in the picture too, Owen? Say hi. Yeah, say hi. What are you talking about now, Aubrey? Kick, kick, kick. What do you think, Owen? Oh, you want to kick your blanket off too now? Show you can do it? Yeah, you can do it too. What's the big deal?